Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a heater core. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and then safely drain the entire cooling system. This prevents coolant spills inside the cabin. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Finally, you'll need to carefully remove various dashboard components and the center console. This step is crucial for gaining proper access to the heater core housing, which is often located deep within the dash. Once the dashboard is out of the way, you'll need to locate and carefully detach the heater core housing. This usually involves removing several screws or clips. After the housing is free, move to the engine bay and disconnect the two heater hoses that pass through the firewall. Be prepared for a small amount of residual coolant. With the hoses disconnected, you can now gently pull out the old heater core from its housing. Pay attention to how it sits, as the new one will go in the same way. Now, take your new heater core and carefully slide it into the housing, making sure it seats correctly. Once it's in place, head back to the engine bay and firmly reconnect the two heater hoses to their firewall connections. Double-check that they are secure to prevent leaks. Then, reassemble the heater core housing, ensuring all screws and clips are tightened. Finally, begin the process of reinstalling all the dashboard components and the center console you removed earlier. After everything is reassembled, it's time to refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Make sure to properly bleed any air from the system to ensure efficient heating. Reconnect your battery's negative terminal and then start the vehicle. Let it warm up and thoroughly test the heater's operation, checking for consistent heat output and, most importantly, any signs of leaks. This ensures your hard work has paid off. For other great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.